My name is Lynette Stratinsky. I'm from Vancouver, Canada, and I've come to London to see Mr. Wong, who is one of the best doctors in the world. I had a retinal detachment in my right eye. It's stable now, but the right eye has a few more issues. It has some thickening of the retina, and it has the membrane, and it has a cataract forming, and that has to be dealt with pretty quickly.
Epiretinal membrane is not a rare eye issue that can sometimes cause blurriness and distortion of central vision. Some do not require surgery, but some do. In Lynette's case, surgery was the best option.
I didn't even hesitate. If I needed another surgery, which I do, I wanted Mr. Wong to do it. He's just amazing. He's a wonderful surgeon. He's given me back my sight. I'm not too worried about the surgery. I know I'm in good hands.
The surgery is an operation called vitrectomy and membrane peeling. In essence, we access the part of the eye where the scar tissue is. It's gently peeled off the surface of the eye. It's a very delicate and specialized treatment.
I feel great. Surgery was fantastic. No pain at all, very comfortable. The anesthesiologist was so wonderful. He gave me the sedation, and that is the last thing I remember. The recovery was great. It's been a week and the vision has improved. I was able to see the day after already. My vision was sharper. I could tell the blurriness was not there anymore. My son, who's here with me, noticed it right away, that I could see better. He would ask me questions of, can you see that, or can you read that? And I was able to. Mr. Wong is an angel. He is so fantastic. If anyone's on the fence for coming here, there's no question. It is the best place you could come for your eyes. I'm coming back to get my cataract done.